My name is Dr. Cynthia Henley, and I'm the director of the STEM grant, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics grant. And it is a wonderful opportunity to have you involved in this process. It's exciting for us. It's a new grant that's been awarded to the college, and we are going to, over the next 2 years, be focusing on doing a lot of workshops and seminars and sessions like this for students that are interested in entering the science or the mathematics or the engineering type field.
Welcome everyone to Oxnard College. First, let me extend my congratulations to those of you who were selected. I've looked at the curriculum this summer. You're going to be very busy. Those of you who, now that you're here, I hope you know what you signed up for, both in the academic work as well as the field trips and the field experiences that you're going to have. I think are going to provide you a world of experience in terms of exploring different careers in the STEM fields. As we know, they're burgeoning out there. There's so many opportunities for those of you who wish to really look forward to getting into science, technology, engineering, mathematics. You're going to have some of the best faculty around in the area to work with you. They are the ones that developed the curriculum together with our faculty and staff. And with all of that, you're going to have a tremendous experience this summer. So again, congratulations and welcome to the Biosphere Summer Institute.
I'm an environmental science interest in this program.
I really look forward to Biosphere giving me a vision and giving me guidance as to what I want to pursue as a career.
What I'll talk to you just for a little bit is about the Biosphere course. We're talking about the origin of the universe, the origin of life. We're going to talk about how life evolved, how life diversified. The third part of the course, we're going to talk about how human beings are impacting our planet, how we're affecting our biosphere.
Trying to figure out ways that our university, California State University Channel Islands, could better pair with Oxnard College, and how we could create different types of bridges to bring students from that 2-year program over to our 4-year program. And one of the things we hit upon was the need for more basic infrastructure, some improved classrooms, improved access to resources. And so we started working on this grant 2 years ago now, and this is the first full summer of us having funding. And the overall goal of this project is to create a situation where it's easier for folks that are coming from Oxnard, particularly folks from underrepresented groups. They can have a more natural transition, an easier transition to a 4-year university. What my colleagues in particular are interested in doing is increasing the proportion of kids going into the environmental sciences, broadly defined, resource management, caretaking, environmental impact assessment, that type of stuff.
In addition to taking the 3-unit course, you'll be working with a faculty member 2 days a week on research.
I'm working in the molecular biology lab. We're doing an experiment on a Corp 14 bee gene, which was isolated from a wild barley plant. Our gel electrophoresis just completed. You can tell because there's blue lines almost approaching the end of the gel.
In my little research section is just studying shorebirds, like studying the impacts of shorebird populations throughout the year.
We're doing lots of work with maps and analyzing gray whales and their migration.
We're making a part of an organic molecule we hope will inhibit an enzyme that causes Alzheimer's disease.
My research project at the wetlands has been very enjoyable. The Biosphere program here at Channel Islands University has taken me and John out to the wetlands for our project. We're working on wetland restoration. And what's very neat about this is that you get the experience of what the job can actually be like once you get it. And so for somebody who's not certain what they want to do, you know, this program's an extremely good idea because you end up exposed to various sciences, various disciplines, and you get to meet people that know what they're talking about.
This will be the largest coastal salt marsh restoration in our part of the state, and will also be the only project designed in the coastal zone to deal with sea level rise from climate change, specifically anything dealing with ecological restoration stuff in our region, and very well might be the only project like this on the West Coast, possibly in the United States.
So I think the response has been really strong from the faculty. They're really impressed with the quality of the Oxnard students, which is tremendous. And the students, I think, are having a great time as well.
Hi, my name is Katie Pierce and I'm a student at Oxnard College, currently looking for a major in neuroscience, and I chose this institute here at Channel Islands to kind of broaden my horizons and hopefully get a great experience, and I got just that. I luckily got placed with Dr. Hampton and we did Alzheimer's research, and I got to actually get some hands-on experience on making an inhibiting molecule that could potentially cure Alzheimer's disease. And it was extremely life-changing. I totally didn't expect to do anything like that. And here I am, you know, a 19-year-old girl already making molecules, saving the world, which is exactly what I wanted to do since I was a little girl.
Whether it's through researching, collecting data on the field, making databases. There's just so many things I've learned through this mere 3 weeks at this college. I've learned how to effectively use PowerPoint presentations, make posters, work as a team in small group settings, and really rely on professors for help on college level work. And you know, it's totally worth it for this program because, like I said, in 3 weeks I've gained so many life skills. If you see them taking applications for the next Biosphere Institute, apply. These 3 weeks have been instrumental in me developing my vision for my future. So yes, I totally recommend the Biosphere to anyone who's thinking about applying.
My name is Jose Lopez, and I graduated 4 weeks ago from Oxnard College. This program actually really inspired me to continue with my education, since my major is environmental science. That's the fieldwork that we're doing, which consists of doing several fieldworks at Anacapa Island. The most important thing that I learned throughout this research opportunity that we have been provided to Oxnard College and Cal State Channel Islands, I really found that drive to focus my major in environmental policy.
You know, I just want to say that if anyone is a little hesitant about doing this for next year, don't be, because yeah, at times it's really scary. It seems like you're not going to be able to do it, but you could really do anything as long as you set your mind to it, and this program really teaches you that.
Biosphere 2009!